What's up, guys? Just had a couple extra minutes today, and I wanted to show you my 30-inch Aloha Breeze rainbow fan. The ceiling fan came with another Aloha Breeze, and the one that it came with, I believe, is a knockoff of the Hampton Bay Littleton. And I had it up one time, and it didn't move any air, and it just made noise. But we're going to show you that one in the next video. And we're going to do the multicolored today. I gotta say, this fan is not bad for Aloha, because it does crank out some air. And you can see it is pretty quiet, considering, because a lot of six-bladed huggers like this are known to rattle and be loud, because there's a lot that could come loose. If you're wondering about that fan, that is a Harbor Breeze Neon back there. Low speed. I can feel a little air from it, even though it's an updraft. Get the light on. Not bad. Now the next speed, which is high, this is where it wobbles. But I gotta say, on high, it cranks out some air. It really does. It's not bad at all for an Aloha. Yeah, but I mean, you can see that thing, how fast it's spinning. The camera can't even keep up with it. I can feel that from over here, even though it's an updraft. And I gotta say, I'm pretty proud. You can see the multicolors going around so fast. Now just watch it spin down. And the next video is going to be the Aloha Housewares knockoff of the Hampton Bay Littleton. You're going to see that one's pretty crappy. I'm not a big fan of it. I still keep it though, because you never know. I might figure out some way to fix it and make it less noisy and operate it better, but never know. Yeah, but I mean, that Aloha is identical to a Hampton Bay Littleton. And at the time that Aloha was sold, they were the most cheaply made ceiling fan around. Pretty much still are. Because people still have these, but I've never seen another brand that's cheap. Yeah, but this one's not too bad. So I definitely keep this. You know, in case too, because, I mean, I know a lot of people and stuff, and they have young kids and stuff, and you never know. If one of them decides they want a little multicolored fan, well, here's one. Almost. Alright guys, there you go. That is the 30-inch Aloha Housewares, Aloha Breeze, whatever you want to call it, rainbow hugger ceiling fan, 30-inch, 6 blades. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.